ever looked into the mirror and felt frustrated by acne? You are not alone. Millions of people, including adults, deal with acne every single day. And the truth is, acne isn't just a skin issue. It can affect your confidence, it can affect your mood, it can also affect the way you look at yourself. You may look into the mirror and not like what you see. You don't like what you represent, and because of that, you start looking at yourself less than everyone else. Now, I'm here to give you the good news, okay? The good news is acne is treatable and is manageable. Today, I am breaking down everything you need to know. What actually acne is, what causes acne, the mistakes you've been making that is making your acne worse. You know, you're already prone to acne, but you've been doing some things that are making it worse. I'm going to be spelling out the mistakes to you today. And of course, the solution. That's why we are here. I'm going to be giving you the solution to your acne problems and acne issues today. And I'm also going to be giving you skincare tips to help you get a clearer skin. So if that's why you're here, you're at the right place. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is acne? Acne is a skin condition that happens when your hair follicles or your pores become clogged with oil. Not just oil, they can also get clogged with dead skin cells, and sometimes they can get clogged with bacteria. This leads to different types of breakouts, okay? What we know as breakouts, it could be different types. I hope you know that there are different types of acne. There are different types of breakouts. Number one, it could be the pimples, the usual pimples you see on your face that you want to pop. It could be blackheads. It could be whiteheads. And in some cases, it could even be painful cysts, you know. So if you're struggling with acne and skin breakouts, you're definitely not alone, and you are at the right place. I'm going to be treating all of this with you today. So if I were you, I will watch this video till the end, because this video brings you solution to all of the problems you're having concerning acne, breakouts, and the rest. Now let's talk about the causes of acne. What causes acne? Acne doesn't just happen like that. It doesn't just happen for any reason. There are different things that makes acne come to your skin. Number one is genetics. If you have a family history. Number two is hormones. Hope you know that your hormones are supposed to be right. Number three is bacteria. There's a type of bacteria that lives in our skin, and when it overgrows inside a clogged pores, it leads to inflammation and bacteria and breakouts. Okay. Number four is what? Lifestyle. Are you stressed? Are you eating well? Are you having good diet? Lack of sleep? Even things like touching your face or dirty pillowcases can make acne worse. I know a lot of people are on this table. You use your pillowcases and your sheets, your linens for over 3 months. You are not washing, you are not changing. I hope you know that that's one big mistake you're making. Okay? So now let's move on to the types of acne we have. It's very important for you to know the type of acne you have. Now, let me be listing it out for you now. Number one, we have the mild acne, which usually looks like blackheads and whiteheads, you know. They are the regular ones you see every day. Then we have the moderate acne, which includes pimples that are red, they are inflamed, and sometimes they are filled with pus. That regular one you always see is moderate, okay? Then we also have the severe acne, which includes painful cysts and often leave scars if not treated properly. If you don't treat all this severe acne properly, it's going to cause scar on your face, and it's also going to leave holes on your face. You see the people that you look at their faces and you see scars and holes, that is the result of untreated acne. And you don't want your case to be like that. So knowing what type of acne you have is important, because treatment for blackhead is very different from how you treat cystic acne. The way you treat blackhead is different from the way you treat whitehead, is different from the way you treat cystic acne. So know the difference, okay? Now let's move on to the mistakes that you make that you do not even know you're making. A lot of you make mistakes. You think that you're treating your acne, but you're actually making it worse. Okay, now let's talk about the mistakes, the common mistakes, which are: number one, overwashing your face. This is a common mistake. I see a lot of people make this mistake. A lot of people think that the more they wash, the cleaner their skin will be. No. Overwashing strips your natural oils and forces your skin to produce even more oil. So if you're overwashing your face, you are stripping your skin of the natural oil and you're making it overwork and produce more oil. That's why you will still have that oily skin no matter how you wash. So just wash your face twice a day is enough. Number two mistake is what? Picking and squeezing pimples. This almost always makes inflammation worse and can lead to scarring. Using the wrong product as well. When you use the wrong product, you don't know what to use. You have acne, you have oily skin, you don't know that salicylic acid should be your best friend. You don't know. You use heavy moisturizers, you use oily creams, you use products that are comedogenic, in nature. You use ingredients that will clog your pores even more. You don't know what to use. You have to know the right. I keep saying it, know your ingredients. That's the only way your skincare will work for you. The next mistake is trying too many products at a time. A lot of people panic and they start layering 10 different acne treatments while trying to treat their acne. This thing will lead to irritation. It will end up in irritation and destroying your skin barrier. Know how to layer your product, know the kind of product you're using, and stop overwashing your face. These are the common mistakes that you make that you don't even know. Now let's move on to the solution, because that's why we're here. So what actually works for acne? I'm sure a lot of you will be asking, what is the thing that I have to use for my acne for it to work? I'm going to tell you one after the other. Number one is what? Use a gentle cleanser. Always use a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser. Something that doesn't strip your skin. Don't use harsh products. Don't use products that are too harsh for your skin. Number two is what? Exfoliation. You have to exfoliate. Don't use harsh scrubs. Use chemical exfoliants, okay? Number three, use benzoyl peroxide. This kills the acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation, okay? Yeah. Number four thing you should do is what? Use retinoids. Include retinoids in your routine. Okay, they are one of the most effective long care acne treatments. You may not know, but start using retinoids now. The next thing you should do is moisturizing. Of course, you think that you don't need to moisturize, you should. So go for lightweight and oil-free formulas, okay? Don't use formulas that have so much oil in them. You should know that you have to use lightweight moisturizers, okay? So these are all of the mistakes. These are the solutions that you should know. So if this video helped you, please leave a comment down below and tell me what's your biggest struggle with acne. I'd love to hear your experience. And of course, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and family, okay? So that people who need to see this will come across this video. Now, subscribe for more content and share with your family who might need it. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris. I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay glowing.